In this video, I will show you how to change grid line color in Excel. Very simple and easy way. You can try this method. Click here, then move a cursor to line color and select any color. Now click on this corner in top side, left side, top corner. Now click here and select all borders. Now click anywhere. Line color, then select entire worksheet. Then here select all borders. Also guys, you can change particular guideline color. So firstly, select line color and select any another color. And here select all borders. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.